Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. So let's see, Scorpio, what's coming to you ngayong June 17 to 23. Fourth house. So, maaring main concern nyo ngayong week na to related sa trabaho sa bahay, or sa family life, sa home life ninyo. Kasi yung iba pwedeng work from home kayo no? Or focusing on your family. More time with your family. You also have 11th house community. So, yung iba, maaring kayo ay active rin, no? To be part of a community. Like, example, member ka ng asosasyon sa inyong, and not just a member, pwedeng ikaw ay isang, yung merong position, officer, yes, sa iyong association sa community na kailangan mo ring bigyan ng attention. So, I think ngayon, medyo busy for you. Lalo na kung meron ka pang ibang responsibility, hindi lang sa family mo, but also sa trabaho, meron kang leadership role, no? Boss ka, o kaya ikaw ay public servant, okay? So, energy ng Vesta, which is about your hearth, your passion. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, you will also pursue your passion this week. Whatever makes you feel good. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Hierophant. So, ito yung pagiging teacher, mentor, someone na maraming alam sa buhay, very wise, na gusto nyo i-share sa iba. So, pwedeng kayo ay may pagkakataon na maging mentor, tumulong sa iba by sharing your knowledge, your skills. Let's see your possible challenge. The Four of Swords. So, possible challenge ninyo, pwedeng medyo lagi kayong puyat. Medyo mahirap mag-catch up sa tulog. Alam mo yon na parang, ano klaseng, yan? Ang tawag doon? Hindi ko maalala, but, yon, sleep deprivation. Oo. So, parang, yung pwedeng yung work mo, yung career mo, trabaho mo is ang hirap matulog. Let's say, for example, isa kang doktor, on call ka, 'di ba? Or isa kang mekaniko, technician, na laging on call. So, yan yung challenge mo kung paano ka magsisingit ng peaceful na tulog. Oo, sa panahon ngayon, no? Iyan ang isa sa pinakamasarap na ma-experience. Yung makatulog ka ng peaceful, like 8 hours na walang putol, walang distraction. Wow. So, let's see your opportunity. You have the King of Cups. So, this is your energy. You have the opportunity to take care of your loved ones, no? Yung parang mas closer ka or mas expressive ka sa mga taong mahal mo, mga pinapahalagahan mo sa buhay. So, that's why you have, yung energy nyo rin is focusing on your family life, home life. So, pwede ngayong week na to, you will spend more time with your family members, with your loved ones. Let's see your blessing. You have the Five of Pentacles. So, as a blessing, if nagkaroon kayo ng challenges sa finances ninyo, makaka-recover na kayo. Okay? Magagawa nyo na ng solusyon ang financial struggle. Kasi pwede rin tong indirectly na kayo ay naapektuhan kasi pwedeng kamag-anak nyo, mahal nyo sa buhay, yung may financial problem na ikaw rin yung inaasahan. So, at least pwedeng nababayaran ka na, or meron kang another blessing para ma-cover yung mga nagastos mo in helping others. Oh, you have the energy of Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, ang trabaho nyo nasa finance, no? Nasa stock market, yung mga financial advisor. And I think ngayon mas marunong ka nang mag-handle ng finances mo. Oo, mas nag-grow ang iyong finances ngayon. You have the Lovers and the Queen of Cups as your challenge. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may challenging situation sa relationship ninyo. Romantic relationship. Yung iba naman with your mother. Kung meron kayong issue with your mother, pwedeng may misunderstanding. What is the King of Cups? The Five of Wands. So, as an opportunity, I think, kung andyan pa yung father ninyo at may issue kayo with your mother, pwedeng yung father nyo ay tutulong para maayos yung problema mo with your mother. But for some of you, I think as an opportunity, mas magiging competitive ka, no? Sa iyong passion. Whatever you are passionate about. Example, you are a singer. Okay? So, mas magiging competitive ka. You will push yourself to perform more, 'di ba? In your career as a singer. Yung tipong mas i-expose mo yung sarili mo, yung talents mo, yung skills mo, para mas makilala ka. Pwede naman ma-apply sa kahit na anong work. So, maaari ring meron ding opportunity rito ng pag-aayos ng relationship sa isang tao na nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, pwedeng romantic partner. What is the Five of Pentacles? You have the Three of Wands. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong solusyon na may isip para makarecover from your financial struggle or financial difficulties. May mga iba't iba kayong pamamaraan no? Example, online selling or any source of income na pwede mong pagkakitaan, pwedeng passive, marami. So, I see exploration of other ways or other opportunities to earn money. I also see someone na tutulong rin sa'yo from another country, sa ibang bansa, para makarecover ka financially. So, maraming opportunities. So, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. Wag ka raw mag-doubt sa sarili mo. Choose the best for you. Wow, lucky you. This is your lucky time. Things are turning in your favor. Ayan. So, ito na yung time na makaka-recover ka na, magba-bounce back ka na. So, you have to take advantage of this opportunity sa iyong career, sa trabaho or business. Wow, you are the boss. You are about to take a bigger responsibility. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may opportunity kayo ngayon na maging na ma-promote sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Maaring mas napapansin kayo ngayon sa work, tapos sa inyo yung offer yung mas mataas na responsibility. Yun nga lang, syempre more income pero more responsibilities. You are going to open up sa isang tao, or someone might be opening up sa'yo ng nararamdaman niya. So, yung iba naman, meron kayong decision making ngayon. Pwedeng meron kayong opportunity to try another career path or ibang landas na gusto nyong tahakin pagdating sa business. And syempre, hindi lang kayo susubok ng bago nang wala kayong alam. Kumbaga, you will also educate yourself. Yung iba through mentors na may magtuturo sa'yo or self-study. So, sa love life naman ng mga Scorpio, sabotage, true love, stalking. Okay, maaring kung kayo ay in a relationship right now, pwedeng naapektuhan kayo ng person from the past. Lalo na kung sa ngayon nagkakaroon ng communication. Na pwedeng magiging dahilan ng jealousy, no, sa relationship. Let's say, for example, may jowa ka na ngayon, may romantic partner ka na ngayon, and then, meron kang kailangan kausapin na kaibigan or naging ka-close mo or naging karelasyon mo in the past. na pwedeng tungkol sa business or meron kang gustong tanungin sa kanya. And then, nalaman ng ng selosa mong jowa, 'di ba? So, pwedeng maging issue yan. But some of you, you are already in a relationship with someone na totoo naman yung love ninyo for each other, no? Kumbaga, mas maganda lang na open communication para maiwasan yung doubts, sa relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!